Hi guys, I got these my webkins. Chinchilla. He's so cute. I love her. He's so adorable. And I'm naming him Tabs.
Okay.
I love her and so cute. And bye-bye.
And what your brother have?
He had a red panda.
Red panda?
Hi guys, I got a red panda. I love this color. I will name him Carmelian.
Carmelian?
Yeah.
Oh, what a nice name. Where'd you get that name? From the
He get it from me.
Where's your pom pom kitty?
Okay.
Get it.
Hi guys, I'm reviewing my pom pom kitty, and it's so purple. I love her. Ew, got a big tail. And here's his W, and I'm naming him Tubby. And here's his W right here. And W right here. And see next.